taking life in stride.
Laptop laid down like a sleeping stone. Paws on the edge, eyes on the unknown. It took a little line, a whisper of power. Got a restless hunter watching the hour. Back arch, tail flick, method to the crawl. Curious nose takes the faintest call. It's a cold hustle, wiggle and pry. Climb on the lid, then rocket to the sky. Sneak at the plug with a sideways shove. Cat's got the rhythm, the kitchen's got love. Head low and funny like a spring cold tide. She tests every corner, waits for the right bite. A paw to the edge, then a bum up high. Laptop becomes a lookout under the sky. Tuck and stretch, tumble then slide.